Prior to COVID-19 pandemic, it was common to find music industry executives, artists, and other key players in the business hanging out at bars, music venues, and industry conferences. However, with the unprecedented closure of the most live entertainment spaces, the industry has been forced to find a new hangout spot. Launched in April 2020, Clubhouse was there to save the day, providing a safe space for professionals to get together and continue their conversations. And I, as a podcaster, see it as an exclusive podcast where you can come and effectively communicate with other people, other podcasters at one place. Hey guys, welcome to Onemaker Studio, where we want to sharpen your video production skills in as little time as possible. In this video, I'm going to show you what is Clubhouse and how to use Clubhouse as a music artist. Since last year, there has been a lot of talk about the Clubhouse, the social network of the moment. The app has almost completed more than a year, and it has more than 10 million active users. Clubhouse utilizes chat rooms where you can only exchange audio messages. But there has been a lot of talk about how this social platform can become a revolutionary way to interact and connect with people. More specifically, about how it can be used by artists and professionals in the music market. And if you are a musician and haven't joined the Clubhouse, at least you must give it a try. Get friendly with Clubhouse. Clubhouse is a social networking platform that allows users to host and join real-time audio-only conversations. Users can jump from chat room to chat room and participate in live panel-style discussion. Nothing is recorded, which lifts the pressure for speaker to remain formal and appropriate in their language. The app is still in beta and is currently invite only, but has begun to attract international attention as big names such as Mark Zuckerberg, Drake, and Oprah Winfrey continue to join, and many in India too. How to use Clubhouse as a music artist. Clubhouse provides many opportunities for the artist to take advantage of their platform, like connecting with fans. Clubhouse allows users to connect with each other in real time. As a music artist, you can use this opportunity to connect with their fans. There are many creative ways to engage fans on this platform, including hosting a chat room with other artists, premiering a new music, having a meet and greet with fans, and writing songs on live and inviting people to be the part of your process. You can join clubs that are specifically for musicians and be the part of it. Join music clubs. Joining music clubs is one of the easiest ways to connect with the people and find relevant conversation on Clubhouse. Groups such as Music Industry Network, Music HQ, Music Industry, XX, and blah. New Music Review plus Music Business 101 and 808 Wave host rooms for networking advice, panel discussion, listening parties, and more. Finding collaborators. Whether an artist is looking for the producer and other artists to make with, or hoping to connect with managers, A&R executives, and indie labels, the app is a great place to look. You can strengthen your profile by using a professional headshot for your profile picture, creating a concise and professional bio, following people you know, and connecting your account to your other social channels. Doing so creates a familiarity and gives people a better idea of who you are. Bonus tip: not much is said about how Clubhouse can become a revolutionary in the music industry. Being a close contact with big names in the industry in such a simple way is truly a privilege. And the best way for you as an artist or artist representative to be aware of what is going in the music industry. Listen to the music, exchange tips, talk about creative processes, keep up with the news, and don't forget to complete the bio. Clubhouse is a tool to build and develop your music career step by step. And that's it for now. I hope you will join Clubhouse or at least give a try. And I'll see you soon in the next video with another great value or another great learning. You can also check out more videos on the onemaker.io playlist. Till then, happy creation and bye-bye.